I can smell it. It smells like Hot Wheels over here. But where? I found you. Like, check out these bad boys over here. Yeah, I've got some new cars. I've got two treasure hunts that I still need to unbox. I mean, not all of them, of course. One to keep it on the package, one use it. Huge fan of Silverado. And yeah, check out this mess over here. Like, what is this? This is so disrespectful. This is like, okay, this is Lego, but this is so disrespectful. Come on, guys. Yeah, I mean, uh, 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 yeah. Sorry, guys. Oh, already? Alright, so one simple Hot Wheels track, and as you can see, the reason why, as you read the title, is for the real cars, not the fantasy cars. So we're gonna add some new cars and enjoy the reveal, also the rest of the video. Oh yeah, and before to do anything, I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, leave a big thumbs up, and also follow us on the Instagram. The name will be over here. Also, I do want to tell you that we have started a behind the scene channel called Arts Creations. Basically, it's a channel where we make videos, behind the scene videos, sorry. In order, if you are interested, please go ahead and give it a look. It will be on the description below as well as on the comment section.